Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Jeryl's Kitchen. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to show you how I make my Jamaican Sorrel drink. And you know, Christmas is not complete in a Jamaican household without the famous sorrel. And you know, you can go the extra mile by adding some boost to it to get it, you know, with that little spike, that little kick that you need. So without further ado, I will show you how I make my Jamaican sorrel. So keep watching and remember to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, all right, and leave a comment and so on. So let's go. This is what I'll be using to make my sorrel. This is some really nice healthy looking sorrel and I got this from a backyard garden. And if you want to see how sorrel plant looks, check out my video, my garden tour. I will leave a link in the description box as well. So I have some sugar, some cloves, a cinnamon stick, and some ginger. I also have, for extra spike, the good old Jeryl Nephew white rum and some red label wine. And I'm gonna show you what to do with this rice. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rough chop my ginger to blend it. And I've already washed it, and for me, I prefer to use the skin. It gives more flavor. Just make sure the skin is clean. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. So guys, I have my water. This is about 10 cups of water. I'm gonna go in with my cinnamon stick and just a few cloves. I'm gonna go ahead and add a cinnamon leaf as well. So now I'm going in with my sorrel. And this sorrel I've already washed already. So make sure if you're doing this, you wash your sorrel properly. Ooh, oh my God, my strainer broke. I'm gonna cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil, and then I turn the fire off and I'll allow it to draw. So you don't need to boil it for more than a minute or so. So this is how my sorrel is looking. I just turn the stove off and I'm gonna allow it to cool for about 24 hours just to get the perfect color. So I'll meet up with you back in 24 hours. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, wait a minute. What going there? So this doesn't feel right. this looks more like it. No pajamas. Hi guys, I am back to finish what I started. I hope you didn't go anywhere because you want to know how to make this sorrel drink. You have to stick around. Just stick around for the entire video. I'm just gonna wrap things up really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and start straining it. Get rid of the sorrel that I've boiled. Just squeeze it out to get all the juice out. And you know, we have a flavored red stripe beer in Jamaica. It's called Red Sorrel. I spoke about it in my garden tour video, so you really should check it out. And you should check out that video too and see how sorrel is planted, how it's grown actually. Now I'm ready to sweeten it. I'm gonna go in with about half cup of sugar. You know, you can sweeten it according to your taste. If you like sweet, you can sweeten it as sweet as you want, but I'm not really a sweet person as I'm already sweet enough. Guys, now this is the non-alcoholic one. Let me see if I have skills. Okay, I have skills. Great. So I found this jug in the supermarket and it says trophy husband. So I bought it. Just for my sorrel. And I'm gonna go in now with some rice. And the reason I'm using the rice is to help to preserve the sorrel. So when you put rice in it, you can have it up to 1 year without putting it in the fridge. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some rum. I'm gonna do about 2 shots of rum. Which is about 2 ounces of rum. And about 8 ounces of red wine. It's smelling so good. So this is referred to as sorrel wine. But this is only for grown-up. And I'm just gonna add a few cloves in it as well. And just close this bad boy up. Give it a swirl. It is so good. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. And most importantly, if you were having this sorrel drink, what would you have it with? Leave it in the comments. I know what I would have it with for sure. My fruitcake! Enjoy! Happy holidays! Bye! You know what? This have a little bit of rum in it, but shh! Don't tell anybody, okay?